Let's check the scene if the surface cache is generated correctly. First, change view mode to surface cache. Lumen generates an automatic surface cache. It is used to quickly look up lighting at ray hit points in the scene. Areas that don't have surface cache coverage are colored pink in the surface cache view mode. These areas will not bounce light and will appear black in reflections. The reason of this may be the merging of several meshes into one. For example, here all the walls are merged into a single mesh. This is the flip side of optimizing draw calls by merging meshes into a single mesh. This is normal if there are small objects in the scene that are not covered by the surface cache. Here you can see large sections of the walls painted pink, as are almost all the decorative elements. Let's consider the first solution of this problem. Select the walls. Right-click and select Edit Walls. The asset editor will open in a separate window. Here you can view and configure each asset individually. Scroll down the menu to the Load 0 tab. Open Build Settings. Max Lumen Mesh Cards. By default, 12 maps are generated for each mesh. Increase this value to 32. Apply changes. In this case, it doesn't solve the problem. Let's move on to the second way to solve this problem. Open 3ds Max. The point of this solution is to split the complex mesh into several parts. Open Layer Explorer. Hide all layers except the walls. It's a single mesh. Select it and in the panel on the right turn on the element mode. Now I will select the element that I want to detach. I'll start with the big parts. Click Detach on the right panel to detach the element. Select next element. Detach. Make visible all layers except temporary and default. Use Datasmith for re-export the scene. Select the folder with the previously exported scene. Replace files. Go to Unreal Engine and find the folder where the imported scene files are located. In my case, DS import. Open it. Right-click on a file Datasmith scene. Re-import. Leave settings as for original scene. This helped to solve the problem in some areas. I will continue to detach fragments of geometry with problems. Back to 3ds Max. Find and detach the elements that are colored pink. This section of the wall has a problem. I'll detach it with the help of polygon selection. Next, the walls of the entrance. This part needs to be fixed. Re-import again. Looks much better. Fix the remaining problems in the same way. All problem areas of the walls are fixed. Look at the decorative elements on the ceiling and windows, they need to be fixed. First I will try to increase max lumen mesh cards. Select and edit asset. Nothing has changed. Go back to 3ds Max and hide all layers except interior decor. Break down the decor on the ceiling and windows into separate elements. To do this, convert the decor to editable poly. So much better. It's normal if the scene has a small amount of geometry not covered by the surface cache. Switch back to mode Lighting Only. Check the geometry again for problems.